Hello guys, how are you? Everything is fine. Assalamu alaikum. So guys, today I have iPad Air 2020. This is the latest model for iPad. Today I will show you how to replace the screen for this iPad. Okay, so this screen is working, but it's broken. So I will today replace the screen for this iPad. Okay, and I will show you step by step. This is the new model for 2020 iPad Air. First of all, I will apply a little heat. First of all, close the left. Turn off the iPad. Then apply a little heat on the edges of the screen because it's already broken. So it can be opened easily. So here you can see we have screws, two cables, three cables. So first of all we will screw it down. Make sure you use the professional tools because I have the mechanic tools. This is one of the best tools ever in the world. First of all we will remove these two shields. Then what you will do, we will remove these connectors. Make sure you turn off the iPad. Here is the old screen. Let me show. I have the new digitizer screen. This is from this company. This is the new digitizer screen for this iPad model. This is iPad Air 4 2020. Okay. This is the new digitizer. I will remove these stickers. Okay. By professional way, I will put these plugs here. This is okay. And next is for this. Okay. And the last one. Make sure you don't force the connector because if you will force, it will break down. Because these devices are very sensitive. So make sure you put on the exact place where it is. Now we will turn on the iPad. Yes, it's working. First of all, we will check all the touch screen, then we will put the glue and make the next step until we have. Guys, make sure when you will put any type of screen, first of all you have to check the screen, then you do fixing. So what's the passcode? 194211. So let's check the screen if the old screen is working. Okay, you can check the screen like this. Okay. Brightness, everything is working. So now the next step, we will put back the shields